In this tutorial video, I will demonstrate how to use Simmons Insights to build a crosstab report. From the LSU Library's homepage, select Databases, and then type in Simmons to locate the Simmons Insights database. The landing page of Simmons Insights is the Crosstab module. LSU has access to several studies, each of which has different questions. Notice the default study near the top of the home page. Use the drop-down menu to change the study. For this tutorial, we will keep the default study of the NHCS Adult 12-Month Study. In order to build a crosstab, you'll need to select data from the survey. There are two ways to do this. The first way is to type your search term in the data field. This option works best if you know the exact term that is used in the study question or answers. If your search term is in the study, it will be retrieved. In this example, I searched for Diet Coke. You can see all the questions and answers in the study that include Diet Coke. Alternatively, you can use the drop-down menu to make your selection from either the definitions or the dictionary. The definitions include Simmons-generated combinations of multiple variables, such as by generation or by age and gender. The dictionary in Simmons includes every question and answer in the survey. This is the best way to discover the types of content that is available in Simmons. Since the dictionary includes a lot of data, it is organized by category. I will click on the arrow next to Beverages, Non-Alcoholic Drinks to collapse that category, and then I'll select Diet or Sugar-Free Colas. Now we can see the different questions in the study related to diet or sugar-free colas. Hover over the question to read the full question. Note that many of the questions in Simmons Insights use abbreviations. In this example, I will select the question for which Diet Cola brands the respondent says they most often drink. All the answers for this question are now displayed in the search box. Let's click on Diet Coke and then add it to our rows by clicking on the rose icon on the upper right side of the page. Notice that Diet Coke has been added under the Rows section in the toolbar on the left side of the page. You can add additional survey answers to the rows. For instance, we might want to add Diet Coke's competitors to this report. You can either go back to the dictionary or type in the brand in the search box. Make sure that you select the answer from the same question, which in this case is Diet Cola brands the respondents drink most often. Again, notice that Diet Pepsi has now been added to our rows. Now we will add the data for our columns. You can select any other survey answers to see a crosstab with adults in the study who say they most often drink Diet Coke or Diet Pepsi. In this example, we will look at demographic characteristics. Let's make our selection from the dictionary. Collapse Lifestyle Demographics, and then Demographics Personal Information. Then we'll select the age question. There are a variety of answers that you can select from this question. Note that you can use the Control or Shift buttons to select multiple answers. The Control button, or Command button on a Mac, will let you select individual answers but not all the answers in between. Holding down the Control button, I will select 18 to 24-year-olds and 25 to 34-year-olds. Notice when you select multiple answers, the column and row icons are grayed out. You will need to click on the column icon above the answers. Now you'll see your selections on the left side of your page under Columns. Now we can run our crosstab report by clicking on the arrow to run the report. This is our crosstab report. Notice selected Diet Cola brands in the rows and the different age groups in the columns. You can slide the bar to view all the columns. You can always add more variables to either your rows or columns and run your report again. You can also download your report to Excel by using the Export option on the left side of the page. You can explore the other tools to change the way your data is displayed. Use the drop-down menu under Chart Type to see your data in a different type of chart, or use the View drop-down menu to remove data elements from your report. Finally, in order for the crosstab report to be useful to your research, you will need to be able to interpret the data elements. In this example, the crosstab report includes data on your identified target, 18 to 24-year-olds and 25 to 34-year-olds, who say they most often drink Diet Coke or Diet Pepsi. The report elements, such as the sample size, the vertical percentage, the horizontal percentage, and the index, will each help you learn more about your target. If you need help interpreting the Crosstab data, you can review the Simmons Insights Crosstab information on any of the advertising research guides on the library's website. There is a PDF, How to Interpret Crosstab Data in Simmons Insights, that you can download, as well as quick definitions for the different Crosstab report elements.